What's up, fam? We're back, and I promised you guys a video of my new sponsorship, and here we go. But real quick, if you guys like my content, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment. Also, this video is going to be really short. I have more videos coming out the end of this week, well, actually tomorrow. But like I said, this video is going to be really short. I promise you guys I'm going to show you guys the sponsorship today, so here you guys go. And I know it's a small box, but I didn't need much, and they did provide everything I need. Well, I don't know yet because the box is still closed. Let's go ahead and open this up and let's see what we got. Just to show you guys, it's from Mishimoto. This right here is a Mishimoto swag bag. Pretty cool. I guess there's stuff in there for me just to technically like represent them. I believe you'll be getting a pack every month. I'm not too sure how that works quite yet. And these are the two parts that I asked from them. So this right here, let me put the camera down so I can show you guys. I'm gonna be installing an oil cooler in my car in the little 94 MIATA. So I need a sandwich plate. The reason why I went with Mishimoto is I can't find any other company that really makes them besides, was it Flying MIATA or Snap? Yeah, besides Flying MIATA, but yeah, I don't got that type of money to be buying the Flying MIATA one right now. So I ordered the Mishimoto one. So my AN fittings are gonna go one right here, one right here. This side right here with the rubber little gasket. You just put it on, and then you get this little part over here, which is the adapter. So the threads from the MIATA will go in here, and then this is against your motor, and you just put it on, just twist it on all the way, and then your new oil filter will go on this one, and that would go on the outside, and we're good to go. So yeah, this is one of my main parts I needed to order. Luckily, Mishimoto, they did tell me that it wasn't going to be available till the 18th, and they shipped it, I believe, the next day. So thanks them, they actually helped me out. I called them and I told them I kind of needed it because I do have that track day coming up, and I don't want to go out there with no oil cooler. So all right, let's go ahead and open this bag up, see what they sent me. All right, so we got another paper, whatever this is. Technically a welcome to the Mishi family. All right, so I guess I'll read this later. Let's see what else we got. Let's just take out all the brochures. This is a new, I believe this is their new product coming out, or all the stuff they have, or technically what their product provides, you know, all their parts, what's different between theirs and other companies. So get into that one later. All right, so we got right here, we got two Mishimoto decals that I'm gonna have to be putting on my car. I'll put those on tomorrow because it's too dark right now. We got a little cup, freaking, I don't know, I want to say, whatever you guys call these, where you keep your beer cold. A lanyard. Let me show that. Pretty cool. Backwards. There we go. And this one's pretty cool. Either you could hang it or actually put it on your window. It has a little suction cup right there, whatever you guys call these. That smells pretty good actually. So yep, I'm gonna be rocking this one for sure. I have another one from my other sponsorship, but they haven't really, like, you know, said anything lately, so I might just get, you know, not be talking to them anymore. And that's pretty much it. Alright fam, so as you guys can see, I am dripping bullets out here. So this is my little Mishimoto package that they sent me. I really appreciate it, Mishimoto. I will be tagging you guys and everything. This is one big step to the MIATA from keeping it cool. What I like is it actually feels like, It was CNC machine, pretty good, or whoever made these are, you know, pretty good quality. You could tell a big difference between this one and then the eBay ones. The eBay ones, they don't have like a fine finish like this, so this one's actually pretty good. I like this. So hopefully I get to install this. These little ports right here on the side, these are for your oil temperature or your oil pressure. So you could run either or. I'm gonna be running an oil pressure gauge and my two AN fittings going to my cooler. Also, I ordered some new radiator fans for the MIATA. Those are not gonna be switching out the old ones. I'm gonna be adding new ones on the other side which push air, and then the OEM ones pull air. I'm gonna be putting a manual switch, so when I'm in the track I have those on automatically. So I'm gonna be adding my own fans, and also gonna be adding fans to the oil cooler. I don't have the oil cooler kit yet. I already purchased it, so I get to install that in the future, probably like about a week. So stay tuned for my next video. I'll be probably uploading tomorrow or Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment. See you guys on the next one. Peace.